Welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design this simple part in Autodesk Inventor with the help of this 2D drawing. This 2D drawing. If you need this 2D drawing, I have provided the link in the description box to download this 2D drawing. So I will create this part in Autodesk Inventor 2020 Professional. First I will create this profile which is shown in the front view. Then I will extrude it up to a distance of 40 mm. Then I will create these two ribs. I will create only one rib and I will mirror this rib about this center axis. So if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you don't miss any updates. So let's get started. Let me close this. First we will enter into the part mode. Click here, part. Now I will choose a plane to sketch this profile here, which is shown in this view, front view. For that I'm going to select a plane, click here, start 2D sketch, select this plane which is XY plane. Now it will automatically shift to normal to view. Now I will create first these two circles and these two circles. These set of circles are 100 mm away from the centers. So first I will create these two circles which are concentric, and the dimensions are 50 mm and 70 mm dia. So select here circle, center point circle, snap this point, create one circle, create another circle. Now again create here two circles, first circle and second circle. Now I will assign some dimensions to these circles. Go to here, select dimensions command, and the dimension of these two circles are 50 mm and 70 mm. Inner one, select, enter the value 50 mm, select this outer circle and enter the value of 70 mm. Now here the dimensions are 20 mm dia of the inner one and 40 mm dia of the outer one. Select this inner one, its dia is 20 mm, select this outer one, its dia is 40 mm, and the center to center distance is 100 mm here. Select this center and this center, enter 100. Now we have to add some constraints, because we can see that this set of circles are fully defined because it is black in color, but here it is not fully defined. So I will add some relations, like I will select this center point, hold down Control key, and I'm gonna select this center point, and I'm going to make these two center points collinear. Let me choose it. Sorry, it is not. Let me choose it again. Select this center point, select this center point, make them horizontal. Now these sketches are fully defined. Now I will create this path, this stripe of thickness 10 mm. For that I'm going to select line command, then I will snap here approx. Now I will create horizontal line. Again select line command, create another horizontal line. These two horizontal lines will be parallel to each other. Now go to trim command, trim these unwanted portions. We don't want these portions, so I am going to trim it. Now I will assign some dimensions. Select here dimensions. This whole thickness is 10 mm, enter. sorry, it got shifted towards like this. Now these three are symmetric about this imaginary axis, so I'm going to add some relation, like select this line and select any center of this set of circles of this or this circles. I'm going to select this center. Sorry, let me delete this dimension. Again, select this line, select this circle. This distance is 5 mm. Now you can see that it is fully defined. Now select here trim command and trim this portion and trim this portion. Now we have created this profile. Now I will create this profile which is at the top. For that I will select here line command and create a vertical line, construction line. First create a line, then select this line, right click, select here construction. Now again select line, create a vertical line like this, horizontal line, and again a vertical line. Now select here trim command, trim this portion and this portion. By default it's kind of delete dimensions in Inventor. That's not a problem. Now I will assign some dimensions. Go to dimension, select this and this line. This value is 10 mm. Now from center it is 10 mm on both sides, from center to this side, inner side. So select this line and this side, this distance is 10 mm. Height, you can see that the height of top here, top surface to center is 60 mm. Select this top surface, select this center. This distance is 60 mm. Now I will assign its radius, that is 35 radius, and it is also 35. It's kind of delete dimensions in Inventor when I trim any sketches. Now I will mirror this profile about this axis. For that select here mirror command, click here profile, select these lines. Now mirror axis will be this center line which I have just created. Click here apply and done. Now I will again choose here trim command and trim these portions. Now go to your dimension. You can simply just put now we have created the base profile. Yes, I have to trim this portion too. Now I will extrude this. For that I have to go to top view here. You can see that the thickness is 40 mm. So I will extrude it. Go to here 3D model, select here extrude. I will zoom out a bit. Now select this profile, select here symmetric from mid plane. I want the extrude from mid plane to both sides, which is equal on both sides from mid plane. Now enter here value 40 mm, press here OK. Now we have created the base profile. Now I will create the rib. For that click here plus icon and select again the plane which I have used just now, which is XY plane. Select this plane and click here start sketch. Now I will create these ribs. Go to here line command, snap this point and snap this line and create an inclined line. Now go to dimensions, select this line, this length is 40 mm. Now I will create a rib. For that I am going to tilt it a bit Now go to here 3D model, click here rib. First click here parallel to sketch plane. Now I'm select profile. Sorry, let me it is showing some error. By default it has projected these arcs, that why it is showing this error. So select this projected line and click here delete. Click here delete. Now I will select this point and this line and make them coincident. Sorry. Now I will select here rip command. Select here parallel to sketch plane. Direction will be this and profile will be, let me choose the profile like this. Direction will be downward. Press here OK. Now I will mirror this rib profile along this plane, which is this XZ plane. Now select this plane and select here mirror command. Now features will be this. Select here mirror individual features. Select features, this rib, and mirror plane will be this XZ plane. It is showing the preview. Press here OK. Now I have created the plane. I have created the ribs. You can see that. Now I will create these holes here of dia 15 mm. For that, let me hide this plane. Now select this plane and sketch. Now select here circle, enter the value of 15 mm because the dia is 15 mm, and from top it is 15 mm. Go to dimension, select this circle center and this top side. This distance is 15 mm, and from here this side it is 20 mm, half of whole length. Select this side and center. This is 20 mm. Now I will use here extrude command. Select here cut up to this distance, or you can just use here through all, or you can drag this handle. Press here OK. In this way we can create this simple part in Autodesk Inventor. If you like this video or have any query, please let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you.